Hi, my name is Shmuel Pereira, and I will be talking today about my project. Um, so a brief introduction about my project is we've been tasked with getting an angle measured through our accelerometer and serially plotting that angle onto our PC. So there'll be we can measure two types of angles. There can be the angle on the x-axis and the angle on the y-axis. Um, and it's done through this accelerometer. We have two buttons here that can start and stop serial communication. Before I get through all that, let me just say that my student number is 4001-25954. This means that my bus clock will be 4 megahertz, my ADC resolution will be 10 bits, and my analog channel for reading the x-axis will be channel 7, and I chose channel 8 to read my y-axis angle. That's what I chose. Thing you should know is the serial communication baud rate I chose was 19,200. That was because I noticed that it was the fastest we can go with the least amount of error percentage. If you see here, I have a table listing all the error percentages calculated and my method of calculation, and we can see that the best possible thing at 4 megahertz was 19,200. Okay, so coming back to the project, I will now just demonstrate the x-axis angle. Once you should know, it's being plotted on MATLAB right now. So as one thing you should also notice is that the LED might be blinking rapidly. That is because there's some noise associated with it. So it's either reading like 0 degree or 1 degree. So let me just show this. We are turning here, and you can see that as we increase the angle, we are getting a specific, we're changing, the LEDs are outputting the BCD value. So right now I could just say it is about 48 degrees. And we can see here that it is outputting on our graph. There's a lot of noise, as you can see, and then we can increase as we increase this, and we are seeing the live plot, and we can see it go down again and come up as we move this. Okay, so we have two buttons present. We have the stopping the serial communication button. So if we do this, you can see this LED stops blinking. That means serial communication has stopped, and the graph has stopped updating itself. If we press this again, it'll start updating, and it'll keep transmitting values. Now we have also this button which switches modes between mode 0 and mode 1. Mode 0 is the x-axis and mode 1 is the y-axis. So I press this. Now we will be only transmitting values from the y-axis. So if I were to move this up like this direction, we can see it is moving, and we will now be seeing values here on the y-axis. So I chose the values, the way I'm moving in, I chose those as 0 and 90 degrees, from 0 to 90, the orientation I chose. That was because I was following the axis direction, and yeah, that's how we calculated our angle. So yeah, one thing you can see, if this is 90 degrees, we can see the BCD value of 90, and we can see as it goes lower, right? Okay, that is my video. Thank you.